Alex to come out here to see his dad on his birthday. This one goes out to all you guys. Everybody in this place, you know you gotta have no worries. We're in a bad time right now, but you gotta have no worries. Right? Well, I lost all my money, ain't got a dime. Crashing on the beach with some friends of mine. No worries, not a care in the world. Ain't got no car, no cell phone. Ain't there's a zip code, no place where I call home. No worries, not a care in the world. No worries, not a care in the world. It's just me here, nothing left to do. Let's go out and have fun. If you wanted to, we'll run out to San Diego, lay on the beach, drink and rum. 'Cause I ain't got no worries. I ain't got a job, no 9 to 5. I make my living off singing songs and having a good fucking time. No worries, not no care in the world. Who's got no worries? Come on. No worries, not a care in the world. It's just me and you. Nothing left to do. Let's go out and have some fun. If you want to, roll out to Malibu, just lay on the beach, drinking rum. 'Cause I ain't got no worries. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, no worries, no worries. Got no worries. Yeah, it's just me and you. Nothing left to do. Let's go out, have some fun. If you wanted to, run out to La Jolla, roll on the beach, drinking rum. 'Cause I got no worries. Got no worries. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, I ain't got no worries. Yeah. That's for you, Alex. Woo. San Diego, La Jolla. I fucking wish I was there.